Hi everyone, I'm Giridhar Kumar Maurya and today I'm going to discuss about the project Retail Customer Retention Analytics of the company Walmart. We know that the Walmart is the one of the largest company in the retail sector, and it operates in the various market like hypermarket, e-commerce platforms, discount departmental stores and multiple markets. Today I am going to identify the loyal and at-risk customers, measure the impact of loyalty tiers, promotion and influencer driver campaign, and guide region and channel specific retention strategies. And my main objective is to develop an interactive customer retention analytics dashboard through the Power BI and enable the dynamic segmentation of high value repeat and churn customer and provide the actionable insight to improve the retention, loyalty, engagement, and regional strategies. In the task one, I have done the data modeling and cleaning the data. I have load the data and transform data set into Power Query, and then set the number column to the numerical, text column to the text. Then I have handled the duplicates, replace the null value with the 0, and ensure that the data type is correct. Then after that I have created the columns, uh, calculated columns, membership durations, and calculated through the DAX formula, today minus membership since. And here I have attached the screenshot of the Power BI dashboard. Then I have done extract the transaction year and transaction month and through the formula, and generated the new column. I have then I have done the data modeling, and as per the task I have connected the data through the each tables and followed the star schema. After that, in the task 2, I have done the churn and retention matrix. I have calculated the churn rate KPI through the formula, and through the DAX formula I have also visualized the churn rate. Then after that, I have visualized all the churn rate through by the region, by the income group, and channel like a store, offline or online channels, and through the loyalty tiers. In the funnel chart, I have described the total customer, repeated customer, and the churn customer through the funnel chart. Then repeated purchase analysis, I have calculated through the DAX formula. After that, I have draw the donut chart and calculated the percentage of mid tier, low tier, and high tier customer count. Churn, I have displayed the point earned by the customers, and then the redemptions done by the customers. Also I have done some recommendations through the visual, like easy the redemption process such that customer can easily understand, and customers should be given more benefit as per the loyalty tiers, such that if there is a light customer, then there should be more personalized redemption point for the customers, because they are generating the more revenue for the company. So like that I have calculated all the formula through the DAX, and created the visuals, and make the Power BI dashboard and attached here. Finally, we found that the loyalty program should be more easier and customer friendly and easily accessible as well. Uh, Also, reminders for the coupons should be notified time to time to the customers, and make the redemptions more like game with other offer. It will strengthen the loyalty program as well as the customer engagement. Because also we see that the high CLV customers uh, are generating the highest revenue, so we need to focus on the high CLV customers. Also high value customers generating the maximum revenue, so need to focus on these customers too. And some channels like neighborhood and market like super centers are underperforming, so we need to focus on these market. Also we need to focus on the region wise specific area where sales are down. So that's all the about the project. Thank you.